and welcome back. Today I want to try to make a see-through chubby bunny. I guess we can call it that. I have never done this before. And I even challenged myself to try mix two colors together. Um, yeah, it became quite interesting, but yeah, I will show you. So let's get started. Alright, so before we get started, I just want to show um, what polymer clay I used. I used these two FIMO effect, transparent blue and transparent red. I mixed them together and yeah, it turned out like this. I wanted like a purple color, and I guess it did turn purple, but now I'm a little unsure if it's gonna be see-through, like if I ruin the see-through or transparent effect. But I guess this is a little experiment now, so we see how it will go. Yeah, like all I did was just mix and cut out pieces I want for ears and tails and boop 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 boop. And then I shaped it into just a round ball. Yeah, I guess that's fine. All right. So yeah, I shaped it into a round ball, which is gonna be the body. And then we're just gonna put that little guy aside. And let's move on to the ears then. I just rolled out the clay and cut it to pieces off. So yeah, let's try and make the ears. Okay. Yeah, let's say that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna trim off the lower piece so it will stick to the damn body. I ended up cutting too much. Yeah, and even make a mark on that one, so that's nice. It just have to be how it is, I guess. Yes. I'm just gonna put it on and see if it's even fitting. Should be bunny ears. We say this is fine, yes. I'm just quickly gonna mix it a little in. I'm not very good at blending, but that's a technique that hopefully will come over time. Yes. Okay. And then I will take the small feet. And just roll them all into small balls. I think I just came up with something else I want to do instead. Yep, I came up with something else I want to do. I decided to take the round clay, and instead of rolling it in a small circle, I took a big circle like this. And see, then it turns into an oval shape, which I think will be good. What I was thinking is to chop off a little piece of all of them so they stick better to the body. So I'm just quickly gonna do that. So here is all the small feet. And then we're gonna attach all of them to the bottom here. And it's easier than it looks. It looks more like a mouse right now. But yeah. And the ear, what happened? That was not what I wanted, but and I have a feeling we can't save it, can we? Yeah, I guess that's fine. All right, and then for the tail, I guess a teardrop. Okay, yeah, and then we're just gonna attach it. I noticed something very funny. The way the rabbit is standing is very like, ooh. like fabulous. How does it stand there? Yeah, we position the tail now. I guess. Oh, this poor creature. Yeah, let's just put it there. Alright, then we move on to the white clay. And I just curved it into a round ball. Yeah, into a round ball. So I'm just quickly gonna, because these are gonna be the eyes and the mouth. Yeah. Alright, so I'm just quickly gonna cut. Alright, then I will poke the eyes. Sounded evil. I guess right there. And then I'm gonna plant in these two. Doot. Doot. And gently press them in a little bit. What I had in mind was creating a V shape that's upside down, yes. Oh, poor creature. Let's make it a little blushy, shall we? I just quickly took some pink clay that I have mixed together with white and red. I know I got a lot of new colors after my unboxing video, but yeah, I just felt like using this instead. Boom. Alright, and then we attach it, the blush. And then I'm just gently gonna press it in. Yep. And then we're just gonna bake it. And while we wait for the clay to be baked, there's just someone that really wanna say hello to all of you. Right, Yuiko? Yeah? I'm sure they wanna say hello to you too. Yeah. You are so lovely. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye! There's someone else that wants to say hello. Right, Tato? Can you say hello to everyone? Ooh. Hi, Tato. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. Such a good boy. Oh, going to hiding now. Getting a little shy? Okay, I stopped filming you then. Alright, and we are back after the baking. Yeah. I tried to clean it a little up off camera. And as you can see, it got some bruises from that. So yeah, note to self, don't clean it off with at least nail polish on mixed transparent clay, because it will show. Yeah, so that's a little sad. And I can't seem to get it off. I have tried with water. I can try again. Maybe it just needs a little. It can't be saved. But yeah, I guess then it gets a little scar thing. But yeah, when I took it out of the oven, I was like, yeah, I have messed up. This is definitely not translucent anymore. But then I saw the mixture I made from blue and red transparent clay, and yeah, I saw difference in the color. So maybe it does turn translucent, but this one is just too choppy. But then again, why can't I see a little in the ears? Because when I take it to the light, nothing shines through. So yeah, this was an interesting test. Yeah, it still turned out cute. Just sad with all these marks now, but yeah. So here it is. Whoa, it's I did not see that coming. The eyes are very like staring into your soul almost. But yeah, off topic. Yeah. Well, now I know that mixing translucent polymer clay do not work. At least not here, but it did change color, so I don't know. Other than all those things, I actually think it looks very cute. It looks very special. Yeah. So, yeah, yeah. But that's it for this time. I will see you in the next video. Bye. It could almost be cool if it could just stay focused on this one. Can you stay focused on that one? Woo? No. But then. Oh yeah, that's right. It's soon Halloween. Oh, at least October. Woo, spooky. Yeah, maybe I know what I can make in the next. Maybe I know what I can make in October now. We see. But yeah. Bye. Woo. Woo. I need to stop now. Oh.